So here we read, Ming's soccer team needs to buy new uniforms. His team has $100, but must raise the rest of the money. Question: what other information does Ming need? And how would he use that information to figure out how much money his team must raise? Use words, numbers, or pictures in your answer. Well, let's begin by highlighting the key information here. So we read in the first sentence that Ming's soccer team needs to buy new uniforms, and his team has $100 but must raise the rest of the money. And then the two questions: what other information does Ming need, and how would he use that information to figure out how much money his team must raise? All right. Well, let's see. We know the team has $100 and must raise the rest of the money for the new uniforms. Well, first of all, Ming is going to need to find out how much the uniforms cost, so he'll know what to multiply by. And then he should take that cost and multiply it by the number of team members, which he probably knows or he can easily find out. And that will give him the total the uniforms cost. Aha, but they already have $100. So he should subtract $100 from the total, and that's how much his team must raise. So, for example, let's suppose that he goes and finds out that uniforms cost, say, $30, and that there are 15 team members. So those are the two pieces of information that he needed to find out. And then he's going to take 30 times 15, $30 per uniform times 15 team members. Figure that out, and that turns out to be $450 for this example. And then he would take the $450, which is the total amount of money they need. So that's the total needed. And would subtract the $100 already raised. And then that would give the amount needed, which in this case, in the example, would be $350, must be raised. So that's a complete answer to this question, including an example.